Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel and today we are going to learn how to log in CapCut PC. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your CapCut PC, then what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is open up your browser. After opening up your browser, just type in CapCut PC login or just type in CapCut login. And after doing that, now you'll find this option which is sign in CapCut. Just tap on it, and after tapping on it, from here you can sign into your account. So after tapping on that, here you can see guys, your CapCut has been opened and now you can log into your account. So now in order to log into your account, what you can do is you can just simply continue with your Google, you can continue with your TikTok or Facebook, or you will have a QR code for which you can scan from your mobile device. So what you can do is open up your CapCut from your mobile device, and if you have installed it, you can just follow this step. So open up your CapCut, then tap on your profile which is on the bottom right, and in the top right you will find a scanner option. Just tap on it and then you can scan this QR code. So go ahead and simply scan this QR code, and after scanning this QR code you will automatically log into your account. But if you don't want to do that, then what you can do is just simply tap on continue with Google, and after tapping on continue with Google, now you can select an account that you would like to continue with and then tap on confirm. And after tapping on confirm, you just have to wait for a while, and after waiting for a while you will successfully sign into your account. So after doing that, here you can see guys, now I have successfully signed into my account. So now I can just simply tap on create new project and add my projects and do editing over here. So that's it guys, this is how to log in on CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.